In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change point number in Civil 3D. This is a quick but important workflow, especially when you're organizing COGO points from a survey or cleaning up a drawing. The point number is the unique identifier many labels and point groups rely on, so changing it thoughtfully keeps your project consistent and avoids conflicts. Start by selecting the point you want to renumber. You can do this directly in the drawing by clicking on the point marker. If your click only grabs the label, try clicking the symbol itself, or use the Tab key to cycle through selectable objects until the point is highlighted. Another reliable method is through the toolspace prospector. Open prospector, expand points, then point list. Find the point you want and click to select it. Selecting through prospector is handy when points are crowded on screen or when you want to confirm you've got the correct point before editing. With the point selected, open the properties palette. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. If the palette is already open, that's fine. It will switch to show the properties for the selected point. If you don't see it, it might be collapsed or docked along the side. Hover and pin it open. Properties is context sensitive, so it needs the point selected to show the correct fields. In the properties palette, look for the point section, then locate the point number field. Click in that field and enter the new number you want. Make sure the number is unique within the drawing because point numbers are intended to be one of a kind. If you enter a number that already exists, Civil 3D may warn you or prevent the change depending on your settings. If the point is part of a locked survey database, you may be restricted from editing. In that case, adjust permissions or work with an unlocked copy. After typing the new number, press enter to apply it. You should see the change take effect immediately. If your label style displays the point number, it will update on screen, and any point groups or queries that filter by number will reflect the change as well. If nothing appears to change, verify that you edited the point object itself and not just the label, and confirm that the properties palette still shows the point selected. That's all there is to it. Select the point, open properties with Ctrl+1, edit the point number field, and press enter. With these steps, you can keep your point numbering clean and consistent across your Civil 3D project.